Everyone's hanging the same target ornaments. Make one that starts conversations using temporary tattoos. Apply nature tats to a wooden round the same way you'd put them on skin. A wet cloth, press down, peel slowly. We used our little mushrooms, the dandelion, and the owl from our owl and rabbit design. Thread ribbon through the top and hang them on your Christmas tree, or maybe a tree outside. Once they're on the tree, your ornaments look like specimens you collected straight from the woods. If you're seeing this before Christmas and plan to gift nature tats this year, leave a note at checkout requesting one of these handmade ornaments, and we'll send you one while supplies last. Let me know in the comments what design would actually make it onto your tree.